Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know Chrome saved passwords. First, open your Chrome browser and click the three dots in the top right corner to access the menu. From there, select Settings. In the left-hand sidebar, find and click on Autofill, then choose Passwords. This will take you directly to your password manager, where you can see all your stored login information. Once you're in the password manager, you'll see a list of websites and your usernames. To view a password, simply click the eye icon next to the entry. For security, you might be asked to enter your computer's password or PIN. If you need to make changes, click the three vertical dots next to any entry to either edit the username or password or completely remove it from your saved list. Chrome also offers a helpful password security check. This feature scans your saved passwords to identify any that might be compromised, weak, or reused across multiple sites. It's a great way to improve your online safety. Additionally, you have the option to export all your saved passwords as a CSV file. This can be useful for backup purposes, but remember to keep this file secure. To ensure Chrome always offers to save your new passwords, check that Offer to Save Passwords is toggled on in the settings. It's also a good practice to regularly review your saved passwords, updating any that are old or weak to maintain strong online security. For more helpful tips and to check out the Owala water bottle, which helps you stay hydrated throughout your day, make sure to look at the links in the description below. We've got some great deals there for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.